We built our own chassis in-house. We machined all of our own suspension components, a lot of the car components. When they started talking about the next gen car, Richard came to us and it's like basically it was either going to be downsize our machine shop or go find outside work and outside revenue opportunities. I would say the breakdown right now was, at one time we were 100% racing, and then it was like a 90-10, 80-20. And just like 2 years ago, we were about still 60% racing and about 40 outside. This year we'll end 2024 at about 70% outside work and about 30% is motorsports and racing.
Towards the off seasons, usually when it kind of picks up a little bit, we do a lot of stuff on the Xfinity side where we can still build the car, and there's just a little bit left on the Cup side that we can still do.
We do a billet oil pan for our engines, and that part pretty much runs unattended 24/7. It's about a 23-hour cycle time, and we load it and it runs, and then we load the next one and it runs. So there's no real intervention from the machinist. Cylinder heads, intake manifolds, a lot of our 8, 9, 10-hour run times are the exact same way. Very little of that has any intervention from the machinist other than loading the part and keeping an eye on the tool in itself. Some of our other race parts, center links, billet spindles have 6 to 8 hour run times, so they're the same way. We try to use our pallet systems and our horizontals and try to utilize as much of our unmanned machine time between first and third. Our first shift is leaving at 4:30. Our third shift comes in at 8:30, so there's 4 hours there in between. It's not uncommon to leave and see half of the machines in here running during that time frame.
The Okuma machine set us up because of repeatability. There's machines that have been in here since I've been here, since the day I started. They still run, they still hold tolerances. We don't move parts off of those machines because they can't hold tolerances.